When Tim Goudreau looks at his wood pellet boiler, he sees two things: how he's saving fuel and money with a renewable resource.
I spent a lot of time looking at the different equipment available, the different furnaces and such.
So when Tim and his wife Atlanta needed to replace the oil boiler at their Portsmouth, New Hampshire home, they researched far and wide to find a system that was the best long-term economic decision. Maine Energy Systems Urcafan wood pellet boiler was a perfect fit.
Rather than burning oil, we can burn wood pellets, which is basically a carbon-neutral fuel source, which I feel really good about.
He feels warm towards his budget, too.
It's costing me about half the amount to heat the house as it would be for oil.
And the heat.
They've got the supply, they've got the equipment, and they've got the service. So, you know, it's a good company.
Wood pellet boilers are a relatively new technology for Americans, but Europeans have been heating their homes this way for 20 years.
Finding a way to be prepared for fuel shortages, expensive fuels, highly taxed fuels. They've been working for generations on producing systems that would burn different fuels, renewable fuels. The Urcafan is an example of that effort.
Urcafan boilers, licensed by Maine Energy Systems, heat homes by burning wood pellets, highly compressed, energy-efficient powerhouses of compacted sawdust, which are dispensed automatically from a storage bin to a day hopper. The boiler feeds itself the right amount of pellets to reach the homeowner's desired temperature. Easy to heat, easy to use.
We are looking at a 32 kilowatt Urcafan pellet boiler. This is heating a 4,000 square foot house at Sunday River. We'll probably burn 12 tons of pellets this year, so you'll probably empty this 5 or 6 times in the course of an entire year. You never see or touch the fuel, you never see or touch the ashes, and it behaves as your fossil fuel systems always have.
In fact, Maine Energy Systems boilers behave better. They're quiet, clean, produce high heat at low emissions, and if more people start installing them, will have an enormous impact on the region.
If 17 to 18% of the homes in our region, the Northeast, convert to pellet fuel, it'll create about 140,000 new permanent jobs. It's real big.
When we build capital goods, we create an economy.
It isn't just about heating houses that owner Les Olten envisions for Maine Energy Systems. It's also about transforming the economy.
Well, if you've got oil, you need to do something else, period. Because the price of oil is going to eat you alive over the next decade. And right now, Maine, New England, the Northeast, the United States could do a wonderful thing for itself by reinventing the way it distributed, used, produced, consumed energy.
Olten is putting his money where his mouth is. He and his team created the Northeast Affordable Heat Program, guaranteeing the first 1,000 new customers their wood pellet heat at a price equivalent to $1.99 per gallon of fuel oil for 3 years.
We're willing to take the risk because we understand the market. We'll keep money in the United States. We'll create jobs. It's time to become the masters of our own destiny.
This is my favorite part.
Words that Tim and Atlanta live by and plan to instill in their daughter, Willow.
I'm just excited to have her grow up recognizing that there are choices one can make.
Even during one of the coldest winters on record.
Not for me. It's been a great winter, you know. It's been warm, it's cheaper, I feel good about the heat. Maine Energy Systems is such a great company.